What's up guys, and welcome back to another Gmail mod showcase video. This video I'm going to be showcasing a small mod, and that is the SkyBox editor tool, as you can see. So what this obviously does is, it's already obvious what it does. It just changes the SkyBox, so it does look like you can change it to whatever you want really. You have a couple of options you can choose from. Like this is the first one that came with it. Like obviously I didn't select it, I just spawned it in and this is what it gave me. But if you hold down, like for me is if you press C on it, so that's for me it's C, for you can be something else. If you hold down C, you can actually change the SkyBox and now it's all dark. Looks quite creepy out here. It does fit pretty well actually. It does look pretty cool. Then you also got this one, the fog, like the foggy one that you normally would see in the Tornado series, the old maps, and the old maps from like 2014 and stuff like that. Then you also have this one. Some of them are the same, but they just, you know, they're not fully the same. Like this one is more of a brightish one, I can even say that. Then you got this one, a little bit more. This one does fit pretty good as well. Then you have the more, you know, orange sunset SkyBox. This one looks absolutely cool, really awesome. So you have a bunch of SkyBoxes you can choose from here. It's mostly for storm chasing really, so if you want to do a series on storm chasing, this one could be the mod for you. Then you got even more darker versions of this. So look, this is even more darker. Does look pretty awesome. I'm not gonna go through every single one of these. I'm gonna go through most of these, but this one doesn't really fit as much. It does look cool, but it doesn't fit, in my opinion. Doesn't look as good. Then you got more of the brighter gray sky. You know, you got this one from like the the tornado maps you would usually get. So yeah, there's this one. They got all of these. You got like the more foggy ones, as you can see over here. This one's more fog. Let's see, you have different types of clouds you can choose. You also got this one, pretty cool as well. This one does fit pretty good. By the way, I'm using another mouse today. I'm not using the Logitech G30 wireless mouse, just because that one, it constantly dies out of battery. It's really annoying. I don't like having it for some reason. You know, I always have that glitch where the mouse always thinks when I do a single click, it does a double click instead of a single click, which really irritates me. So I switched back to one of my old mice, and this one is a lot better because this one's not a wireless. This is a more like, you know, this is more a GXT mouse with a wired version. This one's also not that bad. It feels weird having it, but you know, this is the mouse I'm using for now on because I don't like that one anymore. So there's this SkyBox, still pretty cool. I'm just gonna do this a lot quicker. Yeah, all of these random SkyBoxes, this one does fit pretty well. Like I do like this one, and you can use this on any map you want. Whatever, doesn't matter which map it is, you can always choose this and mess with it really. Like if you want to make a cool atmosphere or a movie or like, you know, Gmod, whatever. Okay, that's a little weird. There's something in the sky there, but this one looks pretty good as well. I'll be using these for my mod showcases in the future really if I wanted to. And then you got back to this one, then you got this one. You got a lot of options you can pick from. Also, if I'm not mistaken, so for me, I have this secondary menu that opens up. For me, it's L, so I can press on this. Oops. You can do right click on this, and you can actually add some arrows to it, so make it look cool. So you can also do this. You can remove it. You can change some stuff, and that's really it. You can also edit it a little bit. So if you want to make it look cool, then yeah, this is it. You can just do that. So that's it for this small mod showcase. If you enjoyed, comment down below if you have any other suggestions of what I should do next. Subscribe to the channel if you like my content, and I'll see you in the next Gmod mod showcase video.